gardening tool, Keegan?
I know it is. We need more mud.
More mud? I think you guys have enough water in your mud, that's for sure.
Ew.
That's very runny mud.
Sticky water. Right up.
You know, it's hard to scoop it because you guys have so much water. We're going to use more mud. We're going to have a really spongy cleanup today. Elizabeth, let's use the puncher. Here's the puncher. Come sit. We'll make it out of your paper. So this slit is where you slide the paper. Can you slide the paper in there? You get a whole big piece of mud. Which is perfect. We're going to put it on the table.
We need another mud.
Good job, girl.
We need another mud.
You need more mud?
We need another mud.
That's a lot of mud. I think that will be good for everybody. I think that's the only mud we have.
Hey, Marco.
It's just the right size.
Hey, could I
For
have
these
that?
guys for the right height? I think